Alrighty, so we're almost there, but we're working our way caudally down the spine. And now we've reached the last segment, which is comprised of the sacrum and coccyx. Now, the sacrum's comprised of 5 fused vertebrae, and you can kind of see those fuse marks here, which break it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 vertebrae. And I guess I shouldn't have put coccyx here because it's actually broken off the model I have, but it would be a triangle shaped structure like this, and it would be comprised of 3 vertebrae that are all fused. Now, the structures you need to know, actually, first we're going to do orientation. So what we're looking at here is the posterior side of the sacrum. And a good way to remember this is that the posterior is where the sacral canal is located, which is this opening here at the top, and the sacral hiatus, which is the bottom of this opening right here. And in a real life model, you'd have spinal nerves kind of protruding through these foramina, which are called the posterior foramina because we're on the posterior side. If you flip it over to the anterior side, you guessed it, they're called anterior foramina. Let's see how they can go right through from there. Next structures you need to know are the ala, which are like, I like to think of them as the wings of the sacrum. And if we look to the lateral surface and you see this bumpy area here, this is known as the auricular surface. And this is what's going to articulate with the hip bones or the os cocci on either side. You can see that here on the other side as well. If we're looking at it superiorly, or from a superior view, we see the sacral canal here still pointing posteriorly, and the body of the sacrum here, which has a couple parts you need to know. One of this anterior ridge is called the sacral promontory, and the facet to the lumbosacral is this kind of whole structure up here. And that's it.